Welcome to Mobile World Congress 2019. This is Miriam, and here in my hands is the Xiaomi Mi 9. Yes, this is it. Gorgeous 6.4-inch AMOLED 1080p display with a teardrop. And in the back, I'll show you in a minute. So, this is the sides. As you can see, a SIM slot on the left side here. On the bottom, you've got USB Type-C and speakers and probably a primary microphone in there somewhere. On the right, you've got the power lock key and volume rocker. And then on top, you've got a secondary mic and nothing much else. It looks like there's an infrared transmitter as well up here. Check out the back. I know it's a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but wow, look at that thing. So you have a triple camera system here, right? With that 48 megapixel IMX586 from Sony as the main camera, f/1.8. And then you've got a 16 megapixel ultra wide, f/2.2. And finally, you've got a 12 megapixel telephoto, f/2.2 as well. I'm not sure if these have OIS, I don't think so. Of course, LED flash, Xiaomi logo, very, very shiny, kind of purplish silver color here on this device. Really nice, really nice. 3300 milliamp hour battery inside, and then of course spec wise you're looking at a Snapdragon 855, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, 64 or 128 gigs of storage. And yeah, this is a really beautiful phone. Just in case you're wondering, this is a Chinese ROM, so probably no Google Play services on this particular unit, but that's the Xiaomi Mi 9. Very, very sexy, very thin, very beautiful phone, very fingerprint magnety phone, and triple camera, and it seems to be becoming very commonplace, and a very aggressive price point of about $500 US for this, maybe a little more, but there you have it. So I'll have more from MWC shortly, but in the meantime, you know, this is the Xiaomi Mi 9, and please subscribe to the channel, like this video, tell your friends. Remember, all the videos I make here are supplement to the Mobile Tech Podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com, so listen to the show, subscribe, tell your friends as well. And you know, I want to thank our sponsor, ProXPN. They're a VPN for professionals. If you are traveling as much as I do and you want to protect your privacy and security on all these open hotspots and stuff, they're a great product to use for that, as well as for streaming Netflix when you're away from home. And yeah, there's a special deal in the description below. You can get 50% off on ProXPN and support the podcast, support the channel. So check it out. If you're looking for a good VPN, ProXPN is your best bet. So that's it, folks. The Mi 9 here from Xiaomi at Mobile World Congress. And I'll have more for you soon, so stay tuned. Cheers, everybody.